Web development has come a long way, and today it's all about creating engaging, dynamic, and user friendly experiences. From online shopping to social media platforms, the web is an integral part of our lives. However, developing such intricate web applications can be challenging. You need a framework that provides structure, scalability, and efficiency to bring your ideas to life. This is where Angular steps in. Angular is one of the most popular framework in this modern world for web development because of its abilities. Welcome back to Fulltechstack. I am Akash and this is part 2 of our Angular 16 series. Let's talk more about Angular. Angular is a JavaScript based framework developed and maintained by Google, designed to streamline the development process and make it enjoyable for the developers. In more simple language, consider it as a platform for building web applications of several types. But why choose Angular? Well, for starters, Angular leverages TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript that brings static typing and powerful tooling to your development workflow. TypeScript helps catch errors early and very easily, enhances the code readability, and improves collaboration among team members, all contributing for a smoother development experience. Angular's component based architecture is another game changer. By breaking your application into reusable and self contained components, you can maintain a cleaner code base and ensure easier collaboration within your development team. One of the unique features of Angular is its two-way data binding. It automatically synchronizes data between the user interface and the application logic, reducing the need for manual updates and saving valuable development time. Moreover, Angular comes with a robust built-in router, enabling seamless navigation between different sections of your application without reloading the entire page. Now, whether you are working on a personal project or a large-scale enterprise application, Angular offers the tools, resources, and community support you need to succeed. Now, I hope you guys have a better understanding of what is Angular. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode where we will deep dive into setting up your development environment. Until then, happy coding. Thank you everyone.